Bayer Aspirin, a name nearly as familiar as science fiction tropes that pop up everywhere. And while most people just see it as a simple pill, its uses stretch beyond soothing headaches. It's like the Swiss army knife of medications found in the unlikeliest places, including our grandparents' medicine cabinets. Let's demystify what Bayer aspirin does, starting with its superpower of pain relief. Whether you've twisted your ankle or have a migraine pounding like a drum solo, aspirin's got your back. And it inhibits enzymes known as cyclooxygenase, which sounds like sci-fi jargon, but simply means it blocks pain. Now, before you dash into the medicine aisle, let's talk numbers. Over 19 million people in the EU use aspirin regularly. It's often used for long-term management of heart disease. No spaceship needed, just tiny doses that work wonders on blood vessels and reduce abnormal clotting. One common pain point is dosage confusion. The regular versus low dose aspirin. Here's the deal. Low dose is typically for daily heart health. Regular strength, 325 milligrams, tackles pain relief. Don't let the numbers throw you off. Think of the lower one as your daily fitness routine. Pro tip, aspirin isn't suitable for everyone. If you're under 12 or have specific health conditions, tread carefully. And Ray's syndrome is a rare but serious complication in children. And imagine being in a locked room with danger signs. Caution is key. And here's an inside scoop for you. Aspirin doesn't just cover headaches and heart health. It reduces inflammation, meaning it can address conditions like arthritis. It works like a peace treaty for your angry joints, ushering in calm and flexibility. And a burning question many have, what about side effects? Contrary to myths, not everyone will experience stomach trouble. Stats indicate that less than 5% face significant issues. Still, taking aspirin with food can help shield your stomach lining like a protective force field. The powerhouse in Bayer aspirin, acetyl salicylic acid, might sound intimidating, but it sports everyday credibility. It's the superhero analog designed to diffuse enzyme triggers and bolster blood flow. Picture it donning a lab coat, taking charge in the bloodstream battle. Here's where things get interesting. Aspirin's role in stroke and heart attack prevention is its headline hero act. Regular intake tilt the odds in your favor. This makes it a staple in many preventive care plans, like a backup parachute. But wait, there's more. Aspirin acts as an anti-inflammatory steed in tackling acne, believe it or not. Crush a pill, mix it with water, and apply. It's a DIY hack getting traction, though a dermatologist consultation is wise. Before diving mouth first into any aspirin regimen, understand that, like any saga, it's best with guidance. Consult a healthcare professional to navigate your personal health plot. Think of them as your wise mentor character, keeping you secure in your health adventure. Finally, for those into science experiments, aspirin can also be used for plant care. So dissolving it in water and sprinkling it on your garden can boost growth. Who knew your medicine cabinet could share synergy with Earth's green sphere? Like living in Portland where nature meets innovation.